Well, we think that, we're fortunate in that we're in a time where there's just so many secular trends, and it doesn't particularly have to be within the tech space. Communication services, there's plenty of secular growth there. Just the old-fashioned consumer space, lots of secular trends there, and within healthcare as well. So we believe diversification serves a purpose in this market, and it can be profitable as well.
And why are you, I know you have technology names, of course, but why are you overall underweight tech?
Again, we take it on a case-by-case basis. We don't think about tech as FANG. We don't think about tech as one monolithic area. We take it on a case-by-case basis, and we go where we see the best opportunities. And right now we see lots of opportunities in a lot of other areas away from tech, but we do have plenty of tech exposure as well.
All right, but what gives you pause about technology? Is it the coming earnings? Is it the trade war? Is it the Fed? I don't know. What are some of the reasons?
Well, again, if you look at some of the headwinds that tech, and not just tech, but the overall market is facing from trade wars, from cost pressures, from slowdown in China, each individual company is affected in a different way. And we can go over all the individual names, but as we look at our names collectively, it adds up to that underweight in tech right now.
Gene, given the sell-off that we've seen in some of these names, how do you assess the valuations and what looks cheap right now?
I mean, Apple looks cheap. That's probably your best bet, not only in the near term because the iPhone ASPs are going up, but also this subtle shift to Apple as a service. It's less anxiety quarter on quarter about the iPhone numbers, more focus on services, cash balance. So Apple stands head and tails above the rest in terms of the opportunity near term. Think that there's considerable, this stock could be twice as high as it is in the next couple of years, and so big opportunity there. But I just want to point out one thing I think that respectfully that Lou is missing here, and that is that tech is really the fabric. It becomes the arms supplier to this race about transformation around media, communications, transportation, automation. Just take, for example, what happened more recently with Google and some of their AI deep learning that's used to detect breast cancer. 99% effectiveness in doing this. And there was a recent study that the accuracy for detecting that when there's a time constraint is 35% accurate. So there is a huge opportunity that I think gets missed. No one thinks about Google's valuation when it comes to the opportunities in healthcare, but that's a great example of why tech is a sustainable overweight.